So it's my absolute favorite time of year because our local stand had corn on the cob. So what do I use from Norwex to help get rid of all this hairy mess? Quick, easy, and efficient. Grab my Veggie and Fruit scrubby cloth. So it's got scrubby on one side, smooth on the other. Scrubby for getting rid of dirt, residue from pesticides, etc. Smooth side to polish. So I'll use it wet. Take your hairy corn and rub the cloth on and remove all the hair. Now I'm not scrubbing hard because I do not want to pop these sweet corn kernels, but look, no hair. Easy, easy, easy. Love, love, love. All I need to do, it's all stuck on the cloth. Rinse it off under hot water, and you're good to go. I love this cloth at this time of year for cleaning lots of fruits and vegetables. So, how many of you are still peeling potatoes? A lot of the nutrients, keep in mind, are in the skin. So let's eliminate a peeler and make our jobs that much easier and keep our foods that much more nutritious and healthy for our family. Rub it on the scrubby side. Get rid of all that excess dirt. And this potato, I don't need to peel it, really makes a difference. So, and dropped my cloth. Again, rinse it out. One of my grandkids' favorite things is when I hand them a whole carrot. So, let's take a carrot, scrubby side. They love to do it too, so teach your kids young. Let them know to clean their fruits and veggies with this cloth, and they can eat this carrot. Check it out. See the difference? They can eat the carrot without peeling it. Again, extra nutrients in there, but you're removing residue. So I can cut that top off, hand them a little cup of ranch dressing, and they are good to just munch away. Tell them, and I show them, you don't want to eat your peaches, your plums, your pears, your apples, unless you clean them and polish them. So it makes you remove the waxy residue, especially on your apples. Rub it against the cloth. Super, super easy. They think it's fun, of course. And who doesn't want to eat a shiny apple? Delicious, easy, fast. In between, again, put a little Norwex dishwashing soap on the cloth. Run it under hot water. Get it soapy. Clean it that way, rinse it really well, wring it out, hang it to dry. I'll launder it once a week with the rest of my Norwex cloths. Again, fast, easy. This is a cloth that gets used constantly in my house, so happy eating.